If you want to update apps on Samsung Galaxy A57, then we have two main apps that we can use in order to update our apps that we have installed on our phone. The first one is, of course, the Play Store. In order to use it, you need to be logged into a Google account. You need to have at least one Google account. And once you open it, you can tap on your Google profile here in the upper right corner. Then we can go to Manage Apps and Device. And then in here, we should be able to, for example, see recent updates, or you can tap on the option itself in order to see the list of apps that are waiting to be updated. And you can individually update these apps, or you can use a button that allows you to update everything at once. Now in here, in my case, I don't have any updates waiting for me. Everything is updated. But also what you can do is you can search for an app that you have installed. So let's say if I try to search for, I don't know, I'm not sure if I have Facebook, but let's see. I actually do. So if there is an update waiting for you, even though it might not be really visible on the list of updates, but if you want to double check it, of course, search for the app, and then instead of the open button, you will have update buttons. Of course, you can use it as well. Now, besides that, we have the Galaxy Store app as well, which is a pretty similar one, but in this case, this is Samsung's app, and of course, you need to have a Samsung account to be able to use it. In here, you can tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner, and you can notice here we have updates button. So if we go over here, we should be able to find everything that we can update. In some cases, some apps can be updated only using the Galaxy Store app. In some cases, some apps are available only in the Play Store. So this is why it's worth checking out actually both of them to make sure that all your apps on your phone are up to date. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.